Hey guys. Hey guys. So, again. Hey guys. So today we are going to bring you guys travel to Krabi. You guys, so now we are in this truck car thingy.
So basically we're going to a cookery lesson. But
Really excited. I've never been to a cook lesson before. I mean, in school I have, but never like outside.
and also we're gonna cook some Thai food.
Yes, because Thai food is very delicious. I can't wait. So, yeah, let's go.
ได้การล้างจานร้านยูแปลงครับที่ this then red onion you cut it to this and then here garlic you cut off and green chili one spoon and then lemongrass 1 spoon like this. This one is a basic curry paste, already done. Or you want to do red, you put red chili in here, red curry paste. Or you want to do panang, have red chili, peanut, turmeric in here. It's a panang curry paste. Or you want to do green, you put this one, have green chili, coriander, turmeric in. It's a green curry paste.
It smells really nice.
Cooking oil, 1 spatula.
This is pad thai. Oh, sorry. This is, what is this? That one is salad. This is curry. That is the tom yum, I think. That one is green curry, I think. That one is something. That one is salad. Yes, there's a lot of food. I don't know how I'm gonna finish it, but it smells pretty nice. So we're gonna eat now. So we just received mango sticky rice from the teacher. And it's really, really sweet, man. But it's nice. It's delicious. Okay, so guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. And also, if you see more content, make sure to go down there and press the subscribe button. And also, make sure to turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss any of our videos. See you guys next time. I'll bring you guys travel again. Bye!